Have you ever checked your bank account and think, well, at least my money's safe there? Well, safe might be the biggest illusion banks have ever sold us. Let me ask you, if you're earning 2% interest, but inflation's quietly eating 7% of your cash every year, are you actually saving, or are you just slowly bleeding your wealth dry? Robert Kiyosaki calls it like it is. Savers are losers, not because saving is foolish, but because saving blindly in the wrong places. That's what keeps people stuck. Today I'm going to show you 7 powerful asset classes that could help you protect your wealth and build the kind of legacy that doesn't end with your paycheck. If this topic speaks to you, don't just scroll. Plant the seed of your future in the comments by writing, "I'm building the first millionaire legacy in my family." Say it like you mean it, and let the world know where you're headed. Drop a comment below so I know you're one of the wise ones. I'll be sure to leave you a heart. And if you want to support the channel, a quick like and subscribe goes a long way. Seriously, it means a lot. Thanks for doing that. And now that you've joined the crew, let's dive in. Number 1, God's money, gold, silver, and platinum. Let's go old school. And I mean biblical old school. You know what hasn't needed a marketing campaign in the last 5,000 years? Gold. People have killed for it, crossed oceans for it, and even built empires on it. Here's the truth. Governments can print money like it's toilet paper in a pandemic, but they can't print gold, or silver, or platinum. Imagine this. Back in the 1950s, 1 ounce of gold cost $400. Fast forward to today, it's flirting with $2,000, and projections say it might hit $10,000 by 2032. What does that mean? While your dollars shrivel in value, gold smiles and grows. And no, you don't have to smuggle gold bars like a movie villain. Gold ETFs allow you to own the value without needing a vault in your basement. Smart, right? Number 2, industrial commodities. The quiet giants. Ever wonder what makes your phone, your electric car, or even solar panels work? No, not magic. Commodities. Silver, cobalt, copper. These are the unsung heroes of our modern lives. Let me tell you a quick story. In 2012, cobalt was just another metal priced at $20,000 per ton. By 2022, it had doubled in value thanks to electric vehicle batteries. That's not an accident. That's demand. That's utility. That's opportunity. But unless you're planning to build a mine in your backyard, don't worry. You can invest through mining stocks, mutual funds, or even futures, letting you ride the commodity wave without ever getting your hands dirty. Are we clicking so far? If so, leave a comment that says commodities are quietly making millionaires, just so I know you're one of the wise ones. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and fix that. It helps the channel a lot. Number 3, safe haven currencies. Let's play a mental game. If your country went to war tomorrow, where would you keep your money? Scary thought, right? Here's why the rich love Swiss bank accounts. Stability. Switzerland isn't just known for chocolates and punctual trains, it's also a financial fortress. During global crises, like the 2008 meltdown or the 2022 Ukraine war, funds flowed like rivers to Swiss francs. Why? Because when the world panics, people look for safety, and certain currencies act like lifeboats. You don't need to fly to Zurich to benefit. Currency ETFs and forex brokers let you diversify globally, starting at just $100. So ask yourself, are all your eggs in one shaky economic basket? Number 4, sovereign guarantees. Betting on big governments. Take a dollar bill. Read it closely. This note is legal tender for all debts, public and private. Sounds official, right? But here's the kicker. It's not backed by gold. It's backed by faith in the government. Kiyosaki reminds us, when a government defaults, it's game over. But governments, especially strong ones, don't fall easily. This is why treasury bonds and government securities are smart plays. They offer better returns than bank interest and are backed by the big guy himself, Uncle Sam. If you're risk-averse but still want your money to grow, this is your playground. And guess what? You can start with just a few $100 via Treasury Direct. Number 5. Value stocks and mutual funds. Here's a fun truth. You don't have to be a stock market genius to grow wealth. Value stocks, those boring, sturdy companies that don't make headlines, can quietly build your fortune. Tech stocks get the attention, but value stocks often get the wealth. Think companies that make steel, food, packaging, things humans actually need. And if you don't have time to research tickers all day, dividend-focused mutual funds like Vanguard's High Dividend Yield Index do the heavy lifting for you. You earn, you sleep, you repeat. Sometimes boring isn't just beautiful, it's brilliant. Number 6. Land and real estate. Earth never goes out of business. Real estate is the asset class that turned more middle-class people into millionaires than any other in history. Picture this. Your grandparents bought a house for $30,000. Today that same home is worth over $300,000. Why? Because the one thing we're not making more of is land. Kiyosaki calls real estate the king of assets. It's tangible, it's functional, and it often appreciates while paying you rent. But real estate is expensive. I hear you say. True, but REITs, real estate investment trusts, let you own a piece of shopping malls, hospitals, and apartment complexes without ever swinging a hammer. And yes, even rental properties can be a game changer if done right. Let your tenant pay the mortgage while you collect appreciation and cash flow. That's not a dream, that's math. Number 7. Collectibles. Imagine owning a painting so rare it gets its own security team, or a car so exclusive it makes Ferrari owners jealous. Welcome to the world of collectibles. While regular cars lose value when you drive them off the lot, vintage cars gain value by sitting pretty. In 2022, a 1955 Mercedes sold for £135 million. That's not a typo. Art, rare watches, first edition comics, they're not just status symbols, they're assets. Unique, timeless, and in some cases, wildly profitable. And you don't need to be a millionaire to play this game. Platforms like Masterworks let you own a share of high-end art. Others like Whatnot let you turn comic books and trading cards into cash-generating assets. So yeah, maybe your old Pokémon cards are more than childhood nostalgia. They might be your ticket out of the rat race. Here's what it all comes down to. Money isn't just about numbers, it's about what those numbers mean to your life. Security, freedom, choice. Your bank account might feel safe, but if it's not growing, it's slowly fading. And that's not safety, that's just silent loss. The rules of the money game aren't what we were raised to believe. If you want to build wealth, you can't just work harder, you have to think differently. So ask yourself, right now, are you preserving your wealth or watching it quietly disappear? Because the path to financial freedom isn't paved with luck. It's built with action, with knowledge, and with smart, sometimes unconventional decisions. If this hits home for you, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this with someone you care about. Let's break the cycle together. Drop a comment that says, I'm not just saving, I'm building. Because that's what legacy is made of. Remember, this is not about looking rich. It is about living free. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.